Mike is a busy technical manager in a food factory who is drowning in emails, spreadsheets, and Word documents keeping his technical system up to date. It's always a problem before big audits. He struggles with an ever-expanding workload, and the stress has become unbearable. Mike searched online and found 3iVerify, an affordable, easy-to-use digital technical management system he could implement one module at a time. Document control and corrective actions were easy to implement and were up and running in just a few days. Automated electronic supplier and raw material questionnaires helped Mike get back approvals up to date quickly. 3iVerify's forms, from goods inwards to customer dispatch, gave Mike instant electronic traceability and KPI reports he could only dream of before. And AI Scan helped Mike automatically risk assess his suppliers and raw materials based on facts from trusted sources. Mike's boss was amazed at how organized and effective Mike had become, all thanks to 3iVerify. Mike now has less stress and more time to focus on improvements, keeping customers and his boss happy. Contact us today and get 3iVerified.